Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Ah, ah, ang masasabi ko lang, magmahalan kayo. Darwin, pag ayaw mo na, sorry mo sa akin. Joke lang. Sana palagi niyong isasama ang ating Panginoon sa inyong pagsasama. At ikaw naman. Ikaw naman. Tapusin mo.
Mahihain si Papa, Papa Junior. Una, pasalamat din ako sa lahat. Thank you. Talagang you made this night very different, very special for Darwin and Eunice. Thank you for joining us. Alam niyo po, si Eunice ay mahilig sumulat. Maraming beses mahahaba ang sulat niya. Sorry, Neng, hindi ko masyadong nasasagot. Pero this time, sasagutin ko. Pasensya na kayo, mga 1 oras to. So, eto ang babasahin ko po sa inyo ang napaka-sweet note ni Eunice sa akin kanina. No? So, here it goes. Mama Aji, thank you for holding me and supporting us today and always. Your prayers and unconditional love have brought us to where we are today. I've always been dependent and clingy to you and Papa, and leaving home had been a great challenge. But your reassurance, guidance, and faith kept me going. Thank you for loving Darwin like your own son. Sister Aji, that's how they call me. Sister Aji, pray for us. We love you, Darwin and Eunice. And this is my answer, Neng. I'm so sorry, naunahan lang ako ni Father. This is the second homily. Kasi po, frustrated priest talaga ako. So here it goes, Eunice. My chance to write you. Kasi ang dami nating days off. Thank you, honey. Then, sige, dearest Eunice and Darwin, while in this letter, I address you first, Eunice, anak, by now, after hearing and reading a lot, I hope, about marriage, you now know that you will not go ahead of Darwin. Same goes to you, Darwin. The best is always to stay side by side. In fact, sometimes it has to be the rear side for one of you to back each other up. Yeah. I do recommend one daily dose of one thing to ensure a beautiful life together. Consult with the Lord on a daily basis. Wag sa simula lang. Consult with God every step of the way in all matters, big and small. God is the only master of perfection. He is the only one who can grant perfection in everything in your life together in your one life now. He will even right the wrong you may commit from here on, if you always go to Him. Please pray a great deal together, as I hope you do now. This is not a cliche. The evil one is out to destroy families with easy abortions, divorces, and violence. He will be relentless, especially to you, to ones like you, who try your best to put God at the center of your relationship by getting married in His church, no matter how tedious it truly gets, with all the requirements. We praise and thank the Lord. He wants you to, and you responded to His grace. Of course, I know that you know now that you won't be perfect, no matter how you aspire to be so. You will surely fight. But no worries, there is always more love in kissing and making up. In fact, that adds romance. Hindi po ba, mga ninong, ninang? Yes? Kahit tanungin niyo pa silang lahat na married na. Nagpapatamis ang medyo awayan, paminsan-minsan. But let not pride set in. Be firm and happy with what is right. Pray for courage to express it gently and kindly. Kahit feel nyo nang magsigawan. Pwede nyo yang i-release sa CR. No? Doon na nyo iyan where you can flush it down the drain. And for the most important one, sabi nga ng balae, I pray that God grant you children right away. The more, the merrier. I think you are in New Zealand to make you happy parents to many children. Life in New Zealand, with its beautiful nature and family-oriented culture, will make parenthood to you a great joy. I wish you that, anak. Tingnan nyo kami. Tayo, 5, sila 4. At lahat tayo ay masaya, no? And our families survive all the challenges to bring all of you the joy, the peace, the love we have now. As one big family. Fill New Zealand with loving people like you. We love you. God bless you.
Thank you and God bless.
Thank you so much. Let's give a big hand, everybody, for the parents of Eunice. Pero isa lamang daw po yun sa 785 letters na babasahin po ni Mami Jing ngayong gabi. But thank you. That is truly something very, very special. Thank you, Mami Aj.